What you know about that? Baby, blow me up to the man. I still need haters in the back.
Are there 3 of them? Phil. Alright, Steph, we're gonna give you a real one. Hang on.
Okay, we are 3.
3.
Oh, I only got 2 lit.
That might light the other.
Oh shit!
Get down!
Oh good. Still set up.
Alright, Steph, here's a good one.
I'll be back.
Smirker, watch out. Alright, Steph, this is a good one, I promise. Everyone say hi to Steph. Hang on. This is Steve.
Steph, I really miss you. Wish you were here.
Very cute, Steve. But very gay. You're gay. I love you though. Alright, Steph, we'll light more often a little bit, alright? Alright. Hang on, I'll light another one. Here, give me a lighter, Steve.
For Steph.
Yeah, this is for Steph.
I'm gonna get a beer first. Hold on.
Hang on. Alright, go ahead. Light it, 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 oh!
Are you filming me?